Hello everyone, how are you? Chalo, so today this is just a practice session. Actually, you are used to this app. I'm new for this. Actually, सरांनी practice करून घेतली आहे, but just I will try. Plus minus झालं तर understand. Okay, try to understand. So everybody is ready to give tomorrow's test. Alcohol, phenols, and ethers. I gave you summary and. Based on that, today I will ask you some questions. Today's lecture is not anything about new things. It is just revision of alcohols, phenols, and ethers. Okay. So I'll give you some questions. You have to write the answers. जसं सरांना respond करतात तसंच. Those who know the answer, raise your hand. Otherwise, I'll ask you answer me. Okay. Chalo. So very first point, alcohol. What is there in this lesson? IUPAC nomenclature, introduction, and classification of these alcohols. Okay. After that, second important point is preparation of alcohol. So different methods are there to prepare alcohol. First method is by using alkyl halide. So based on that, first method is by using alkyl halide. Alkyl halide we do hydrolysis by using KOH, AgOH, or NaOH, aqueous. Second one, we use H2SO4. That reaction is called as hydration reaction. Here we get OH on the middle carbon if alkene is unsymmetric. If alkene is unsymmetrical, then we want OH on the terminal carbon. So for that we have to do hydroboration oxidation reaction. Next reaction we discussed, that was by using Grignard's reagent. In our basic lecture also I taught you this reaction. So formaldehyde plus Grignard's reagent we get primary alcohol. Higher aldehyde plus Grignard's reagent we get secondary alcohol. Ketone plus Grignard's reagent we get tertiary alcohol. And the last reaction, that is a reduction of carbonyl compounds. So 4 carbonyl compounds are there. One is aldehyde, other is ketone, third one is carboxylic acid, and fourth one is ester. So aldehydes are reduced to primary alcohol, ketones are reduced to secondary alcohol, carboxylic acid RCOOH is converted into RCH2OH, and esters are converted into carboxylic acid. Okay, so this was the summary for the preparation of alcohol, which already I have given you. So based on this, some questions, try to write the reactions. Okay, so first question, convert propene to, so convert propene to propane 1-ol, propane 1-ol, and this is first question. And second question, convert propene to propane 2-ol. What the question? Conversion propene to propane 1-ol and propene to propane 2-ol. Whatever I said now, based on that, this question is asked. Chalo, tell me the answer. Who knows the answer? Raise your hand and tell me the answer. Yes, very good. Nidhi. Yes, Nidhi, tell me the answer.
Hello.
Yes, Nidhi, बोल.
हाँ, propane to propane 1-ol ला hydration ने करायचं.
Propene's formula?
CH2.
CH2.
Sorry. CH3 CH double bond CH2.
Yes, CH3 CH double bond CH2. Correct. Plus?
Plus H2SO4.
Plus what are you telling me? 1 propanol or 2 propanol?
1 propanol.
1 propanol, we don't use H2SO4, my dear. Chalo, if we take H2SO4, HOSO3H, what would be the product? Both. काय असेल product?
H3H OSO3H आणि H3 CH3.
This CH3 as it is?
मग
change takes place near the function group? So H2SO4 we have to add across this double bond?
Yes.
How to add?
मग CH ला OSO3H नेगेटिव्ह पार्ट द्यायचा.
Yes.
आणि CH2 च्या इथे अजून एक हायड्रोजन ऍड करायचा.
Correct. So this is the required product, right? This is the intermediate. And what is the next step? This should be cold and concentrated, right?
Yes.
And what is the next step?
मग त्याला वॉटर बरोबर ट्रीट करायचं.
Water बरोबर boil करायचं.
हा,
Yes. Heat it with water. So what would be the product?
CH3, CH, OH, CH3.
So what is its name?
Propane 1-ol.
Is it propane 1-ol?
नाही, propane 2-ol.
Then so you told me the second reaction, propane 2-ol. Understood? Propene plus cold and concentrated H2SO4, we get isopropyl hydrogen sulfate that is boiled with water and we get 2-propanol. Okay? Clear this reaction. Chalo. Now who will tell me second reaction? Propene to propane 1-ol. I want this conversion. Who will tell? Lower your hand, Nidhi. Who will tell me propene to propane 1-ol? Yes? Vaidehi?
Yes, miss. Hello.
Vaidehi, बोल.
CH3 प्रोपीनचा फॉर्म्युला लिहून घ्यायचा. CH3CH
CH3
CH
CH
डबल बॉन्ड CH2
double bond CH2, yes,
प्लस NaOH
plus NaOH. का बरं NaOH घेतलं बाळा?
नाही NaOH नाही घेऊ शकत.
मग रिएक्शनच होत नाही. अल्किन आणि NaOH मध्ये नो रिएक्शन, राईट? बोल काय येईल मग दुसरा रिएजंट इथे?
मिस एक मिनिट थांबा.
Yes. By the time, anybody else? Propene to propane 1-ol. Yes. Who will tell me? Parth? Is there Parth? Parth, बोल.
Plus B2H6.
B2H6.
Propene plus मग B2H6 म्हणजेच 2 times BH3.
2 times B2 म्हणजेच 2 times BH3, करेक्ट. पुढे
मग BH3 म्हणजेच HBH2.
HBH2, ओके.
मग H जाणार मिडल कार्बनवर आणि BH2 जाणार टर्मिनल कार्बन.
येस, म्हणजे काय मिळालं? CH3 CH2 CH2 BH2, करेक्ट.
मग त्याला H2O2 इन NaOH बरोबर ट्रीट करायचं.
आता बघ इथे किती हायड्रोजन आहेत बोरॉन वरती? 3 हायड्रोजन आहेत.
मग ते 3 टाइम्स घ्यायचं प्रोटीन.
So here we have to make 3 times, right? Valency of boron is 3 na, so we want 3 propyl group and we have taken here diboron. Diboron म्हणजे 2B2H6 आहे आपल्याकडे. म्हणजे आपल्याला इथे diboron balance करायला इथे 2 लिहावं लागेल. So total propane किती झाले? 6. So here 6, correct? Next. Now it is treated with
H2O2 and NaOH.
H2O2 and NaOH. Yes. So what is the product?
Propene 1-ol plus H3BO2.
Yes, plus
H3BO3.
H3BO3. What is name of H3BO3?
Boric acid.
Boric acid. Correct. Is this clear? Lower your hand. Is this clear? Everybody understood the second reaction? Okay. What is the second reaction? Propene to propane, 1-ol. How is it done? By using B2H6. Atharva wants to tell something. Yes, Atharva. Yes, Atharva.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Mahajan sir. How are you?
I'm fine right now.
Okay, right now you are fine.
Can we get ether from acid?
Acid is not converted into ether. Who told you?
I'm preparing here only.
What you are preparing?
I have small lab. I'm preparing from acid to ether.
Ayyo, now it is necessary to prepare sanitizer, sir.
No.
Not ether. Alcohol is required.
No, can we prepare ether from acetic acid?
Acetic acid is not.
Yes, I know. Ki oxidation of acid gives.
Are Baba, acid is not oxidized further. Acid is the end product of oxidation.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
It's okay. Better luck next time. Okay, study and come.
Okay. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
Okay, chalo. Jokes apart. Chalo. Everybody understood the reaction? Now the next question. Clear this point? Next question. Okay. See, listen to me carefully. What is it? Starting substance is, say we have CH3CHO, and this I want to convert into number 1 ethanol, and number 2 ethanol, and number 2 is isopropyl alcohol. Yes. Tell me the conversion. How will you convert acetaldehyde to ethanol and isopropyl alcohol? Tell me fast. Very easy. Try to understand the difference in these two reactions. Who will tell me? Kiran sir, क्या बात है? Yes sir.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Bolo.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, after a long time. So I just memorizing my chemistry after 9 years.
I taught you chemistry.
Yeah, I think we should do hydrogenation reaction.
Wow, what a teacher, chemistry teacher you have.
I think hydrogenation means addition of H2.
H2, correct. CH3CHO plus H2.
So one hydrogen will go with CH, one hydrogen will go to oxygen.
Very good. So product is CH3CH2OH. And what is the condition? Do you remember?
Oh, the catalyst
Catalyst is nickel.
Nickel.
Ni is used. Very good. Today all children will say these teachers are only playing classroom. Huh?
Okay, no.
But all are enjoying, I think so, isn't it?
Yeah, it was first lecture, so I thought to just answer it.
Yes, thank you very much.
You continue. Okay, bye.
Yes. Yeah, bye. Thank you. Yes.
Hydrogenation.
Hello? Yes. So first reaction is CH3CHO is converted into CH3CH2OH. And Parth, you want to say something? Parth?
No, miss.
No, na?
No, miss.
Okay. Yes. So here, first reaction, conversion of CH3CHO into CH3CH2OH. This is just hydrogenation reaction by using nickel catalyst. Instead of this reagent, we can use another catalyst, and that is LiAlH4, right? So same reaction can be done by using LiAlH4 followed by hydrolysis reaction. Number 1 and 2, and we get the same substance. Okay. Now, Second conversion, CH3CHO to isopropyl alcohol. What will be the reagent in this? What is the reagent to convert ethanol to isopropyl alcohol? Yes, who will tell me? Yes, Ishwari, tell. हाँ ईश्वरी बोल.
CH3CHO plus CH3MgI.
CH3CHO plus CH3MgI.
In dry ether.
In presence of dry ether, yes. What is the product?
CH3CH
H
OMgI.
OMgI.
And it was
CH3, right?
Huh.
Then
it is again reacted with H3O plus.
H3O plus hydrolysis. Yes. What is the product?
CH3CCH3CHOH.
Yes, good. CH3CHOH CH3 plus
MgIOH.
MgIOH. Yes, good. So this is the difference in these two reactions. What is it? First of all, CH3CHO, we want to convert into ethanol. When number of carbon atoms remain same, we have to do simply reduction reaction. And when number of carbon atoms are increased, that time we have to take help of Grignard's reagent. Is this clear? Okay. So these are all questions related to preparation of alcohol. Now, few more reactions related to reactions of alcohol. Okay, or ether. Now all together I'll ask you, instead of revising summary, just tell me what is the action of concentrated H2SO4 on C2H5OH at number 1 413 Kelvin and number 2 443 Kelvin. Done. Let's answer. Action of C2H5, action of C2H5, action of H2SO4 on C2H5OH at two different temperatures. So what should be the product of this reaction? Who will tell?
443.
Who is that? ऋतुजा सांग. मगाशी हात वर केला होता ना मगाच्या क्वेश्चनला. Try to answer this question. ऋतुजा. Neha. Is there Neha? Yes. Vaibhavi. Tell me. Yes, Vaibhavi. What's the product? Vaibhavi, you want to say something now?
Yes, at 443 Kelvin.
At which temperature you are telling? 443.
Yes.
What happens at 443 Kelvin?
Alkene will be formed.
Alkene will be formed. Okay. Concentrated H2SO4 at 443 Kelvin. What do we get? Which alkene?
CH2 double bond CH2.
CH2 double bond
CH2.
CH2 plus H2O. Correct?
Yes.
Plus H2. And what happens? So this is CH3 CH2OH. So I have removed H of this carbon and OH of this carbon. So water is removed and we get alkene as product. Yes. Now what is the product at 413 Kelvin? Chalo, who is going to tell? Product at 413 Kelvin. Yes, Jayantika. बोल काय मिळेल product?
Simple ether will be formed.
सिंपल इथर. कुठला इथर मिळेल? बोल ना.
C2H5
हा
O.
हा
ते दिसत नाहीये. C2H5O C2H5.
C2H5 O C2H5. Yes. This is also
Plus H.
dehydration reaction. Diethyl ether. Correct. Good. So here ethyl alcohol reacts with H2SO4 and we get alkene as well as ether. The product obtained in both the cases depends upon temperature. Both are dehydration reaction. Here water is removed from the molecule itself. So within one molecule itself. So this is called as intra, within the molecule itself. And here water is removed from two molecules. Okay. So this is called as intermolecular dehydration reaction. Who will tell me mechanism of this reaction? Chalo. Ethanol to ethylene. What is the mechanism of the reaction? I gave you this mechanism in our notes. Who will tell me mechanism of this reaction? Risham, will you try? Mechanism means what are the steps involved in the conversion of C2H5OH to ethylene? Sarthak? Yashraj, tell me.
Hello.
बोल यशराज.
हाँ. So पहिलं protonation of alcohol होणार.
Yes. म्हणजे काय होईल बोल?
अल्कोहोल आणि H+ अटॅक करेल म्हणजे O आपली लोन पेअर H+. एक मिनिट मला दिसत नाहीये.
Yes, acidic medium है H+. So there will be protonation. Yes, there will be protonation.
मग ऑक्झोनियम आयन फॉर्म होईल. इथाइल ऑक्झोनियम आयन. नो, मिथाइल ऑक्झोनियम आयन.
So we get CH3 CH2OH. याला म्हणतात protonated alcohol.
ओके, प्रोटोनेटेड अल्कोहोल. मग
Second
आता
step.
परत न्यूक्लियोफिलिक अटॅक ऑफ वॉटर ऑन कार्बोकॅटायन.
Water on carbocation. Where is carbocation?
एक मिनिट.
In the second step, we have to form carbocation, right?
Okay.
So second step is formation of carbonium.
Carbocation.
Formation of carbocation. So this oxygen have positive charge. It is in need of electrons. So carbon will give electrons to this oxygen. So what happens? CH3, CH2OH, H+. This gives electrons to this. And what do we get? CH3, CH2 plus H2O. Okay? And now in the third step,
water on carbocation.
Nucleophilic attack of water.
Water on
formation of both. Formation of product. So what will happen? CH3, CH2. This is plus. Not nucleophilic attack of water. This H+ is eliminated. So removal of proton. We call this as
deprotonation.
So we get double bond. CH2 double bond CH2 and H+ is regenerated, which is the part of acid. First step is protonation of alcohol. Second step is formation of carbonium ion. And third step is deprotonation to get alkene. Clear? Yes, lower your hand. Okay. Understood everybody? What's the mechanism of formation of alkene? Similarly, they may ask conversion, mechanism for conversion of ethanol to diethyl ether. Okay. Next question. See. What is the action of bromine water on phenol? Bromine water on phenol. Bola. Bromine water on phenol. Action of bromine water on phenol. Phenol is OH. Reacts with bromine water. What's the product? Bola. Sanika,
I know.
Khushbu.
Bromine in water.
Yes,
हा,
बोल बाळा.
सगळे हे होते.
माईक बंद करा रे. यशराज तुझा माईक चालू आहे का बघ.
ओके.
हा खुशबू बोल. बोल खुशबू. आवाज येतोय का माझा? हा रिशांत बोल.
हेलो
हाँ बोल रिशांत.
मैम, प्रोडक्ट 246 ट्राई ब्रोमोफिनॉल मिलेगा.
246 ट्राइब्रोमो
फिनॉल.
phenol. OH, here Br, here Br, and here Br plus HBr. Correct. So this is the equation. We get 246 tribromo phenol. Yes. Khushbu, if we treat this substance with bromine in presence of CH2, what would be the product? हाँ खुशबू बोल.
CS2 मध्ये केलं तर मग आपल्याला ऑर्थो पोझिशन वरती ब्रोमीन मिळेल आणि पॅरा पोझिशन वरती ब्रोमीन मिळेल.
येस, म्हणजे सॉल्व्हंट जर चेंज केला तर आपल्याला प्रोडक्ट्स डिफरंट मिळतात. जर आपण पोलर सॉल्व्हंट यूज केलं तर विगरस ब्रोमिनेशन होतं, 246 मिळतं. आणि जर आपण CS2 घेतला, पोलर नॉन पोलर सॉल्व्हंट वापरला तर आपल्याला ऑर्थो आणि पॅरा मिळतो. विच इज मेजर आउट ऑफ ऑर्थो अँड पॅरा?
पॅरा.
Para is major. Correct. चलो नेक्स्ट नाइट्रेशन करायचं मला. So tell me, what are the two different nitration reactions of phenol? HNO3. What are two different nitration reactions of phenol? Yes, Sakshi. बोला. हाँ साक्षी बोल. बोल साक्षी. Nitration reaction. Ritu.
Hello.
The product Ritu.
Yes, miss. If we one is dilute HNO3, and second is nitrating mixture.
Yes. So dilute HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4 and concentrated HNO3. What's the product if we use dilute HNO3?
Ortho and para.
Ortho and para. And which is major here?
Ortho.
Why?
Because steric hindrance is less.
Steric hindrance is less here.
No, miss. They form hydrogen bonding with each other.
Ah, yes. Which type of hydrogen bonding is found there?
Intermolecular.
Intramolecular, my dear. Within the one molecule itself, na?
Yes. Sorry.
So this is intra, and this paranitrophenol will form
intermolecular.
Molecular dehydration. If I try to remove one molecule, I'll get the chain of this.
Yes.
Right? Yes. So here we get this substance. And what with concentrated H2SO4?
246.
What is
Picric acid.
Yes.
Picric acid.
The name?
Picric acid.
Picric acid. Correct. So we get picric acid. Yes. Lower your hand. Clear this reaction? Next one. Next question. that is action of HI on anisole. Action of HI on anisole. Tell me action of HI on different substances. I'll write here. Action of HI on number 1 anisole, second dimethyl ether, third one that is tertiary butyl methyl ether. Tell me the products formed in these reactions. First one is anisole and HI. Yes, Sanika, tell. हाँ सानिका बोल.
When we treat anisole with HI at 398 Kelvin, we get phenol.
We get
Phenol.
phenol. And what is other product?
CH3I.
CH3I. Shall we get here iodobenzene?
Iodobenzene.
This is treated with HI, na? You said that we will get here OH and CH3I.
Yeah.
What is my question? Shall we get here iodobenzene and CH3OH?
Yes.
Yes? Is it possible? Anybody? हाँ खुशबू.
कारण एनिसोल मध्ये ऑक्सिजन आणि कार्बन बेन्झीन मधला कार्बनचा जो बॉन्ड आहे तर तिथला कार्बन sp2 हायब्रिडाइज्ड आहे मग तो बॉन्ड लवकर नाही तुटत ऑक्सिजन आणि कार्बनचा बेन्झीन.
Yes, exactly. This carbon is sp2 hybridized. So any group attached to benzene ring is difficult to detach. So O detach होत नाही. हा bond break होतो. CH3 detach होतो and we get CH3I and this substance. Correct. Now what in case of dimethyl ether? Who will tell? CH3O CH3 reacts with HI. What's the product? What's the product? Akanksha?
मी सांगितलं.
हाँ निधि बोल. निधि
हॅलो.
हाँ बोल.
डायमिथाइल इथरचा फॉर्म्युला लिहून घ्यायचा आधी.
हाँ लिला पुढे.
हा मग त्याचा फॉर्म होणार प्रोडक्ट CH3I प्लस CH3OH.
CH3I plus CH3OH. हाँ पुढे.
हा मग
खुशबू माईक ऑन आहे वाटतं. बंद कर बाळा. हाँ बोला पुढे. निधी काय होईल? Yes, what will happen further? हाँ निधि. हाँ बोल आकांक्षा काय होईल?
Hello, ma'am.
हाँ बोल आकांक्षा.
CH3 plus CH3OH.
हाँ.
Then CH3OH is further converted into CH3I.
हाँ, by using HI.
Yes, and it is formed 2CH3I.
Yes, so final product is 2CH3I. Okay. In the same way, what will happen in this case? Which one will form alcohol here? Tertiary butyl methyl ether reacts with HI. Who will tell me? Chalo bolo. Yes, Akanksha.
Ma'am.
हाँ बोल.
Hello.
हाँ बोल.
Hello.
हाँ बोला. येतोय का माझा आवाज? Yes, what's the product?
The product formed is CH3OH.
CH3OH.
And iodine. Iodine goes to the tertiary butyl group.
Yes, iodine goes to tertiary butyl group. Correct. Why is it so?
Because
tertiary carbonium is more stable. See, if we break this bond, we will get CH3 plus and this O will get minus charge, right? And if we break this bond, this carbon will get plus and oxygen will get minus. Which carbon is more stable? Tertiary carbonium ion is more stable. So whenever tertiary alkyl group is present, it prefers to form tertiary alkyl halide. So we get tertiary alkyl halide and CH3OH. Further, CH3OH is treated with one more HI molecule and it is also converted into CH3R. Okay. Now the next question. See, suppose I want to prepare this tertiary butyl methyl ether by Williamson synthesis. So what should be the starting substance? Okay, we will discuss now few examples of Williamson synthesis. Suppose I want to prepare CH3O CH3 by using Williamson synthesis. So what should be the starting substance to prepare CH3O CH3? Bola. Chalo, answer me fast. हाँ पार्थ बोल.
H3X plus NaO.
CH3X कुठला घेऊया X BR.
हाँ चालेल. Plus
NaO CH3. हाँ heated. Suppose I want to prepare CH3O C2H5. What should be the starting substance?
CH3Br plus NaOC2H5.
CH3Br plus NaOC2H5. Is there any other possibility?
CH2Br plus NaOC2H5.
Huh?
CH2Br C2H5Br plus NaOCH.
हाँ C2H5Br plus NaOCH3. Correct. So this will also give us ethyl methyl ether. Okay, lower your hand. Clear everybody? Now see, what is the next question? Very important. I want to prepare CH3, CCH3, CH3, OCH3. This ether I want to prepare. How to prepare this ether? Chalo, bolo. Same method, Williamson synthesis. How to prepare this substance? Yes. Bola, Yashraj.
CH3 CH3
C
CH3 CH3 वरती खाली आणि O minus Na plus.
O minus Na plus plus
plus CH3Br.
Plus CH3Br. CH3Br. Any other possibility?
नाही मग invert मग alkene formation होईल त्यात.
If we do invert like CH3ONa and BrO CH3 BrC CH3 CH3 CH3. Correct. If we use this combination, then only NaBr is eliminated and we get tertiary butyl methyl ether. And if we use this combination, then we get alkene as product. Which alkene is obtained? See, NaBr is eliminated. This is O minus, very strong base. It pulls one hydrogen of this. So this hydrogen keeps its electron to this carbon, and this Br is also eliminated. So product form, double bond is formed between these two. We get CH2 double bond C, CH3, CH3 plus NaBr plus CH3OH, CH3OH. Okay. So for Williamson synthesis, what is required? Alkyl halide must be primary. And alkoxide, it may be primary, secondary, tertiary. This method is used to give simple as well as mixed ethers. Okay. Now, how will you prepare salicylaldehyde? Tell me. Preparation of salicylaldehyde. How is it prepared? Salicylaldehyde. How to prepare salicylaldehyde? What's the formula of salicylaldehyde? It is a named reaction. What's the name of the reaction? Salicylaldehyde. Salicylaldehyde. बोला. कसं तयार करणार salicylaldehyde? हाँ बोल आकांक्षा.
Miss, it is prepared by Riemann-Tiemann reaction.
Riemann-Tiemann reaction. What happens in Riemann-Tiemann reaction?
Phenol is reacted with CH3Cl and NaOH.
CH3Cl नहीं है बड़ा. CHCl3.
हाँ, CHCl3.
आणि NaOH.
And NaOH.
हाँ, काय करायचं?
ऑक्सिजनच्या H च्या जागेवर Na प्लस O मायनस
Na प्लस. हाँ. आणि
ऑर्थो पोझिशन वर CHCl2.
CHCl2. This is highly unstable. So enclose it in bracket.
Then it is treated with NaOH.
It is treated with NaOH. Yes. Then
ortho position CHO.
CHO. We get CHO at ortho position. And then
it is treated with H3O plus.
Yes. And we get salicylaldehyde. OH and CHO. Salicylaldehyde. Okay? Yes. Next one. How will you prepare phenol by using benzene sulfonic acid? Tell me. Last reaction. After that, sir's lecture is also there. So, chalo, tell me fast. Phenol, we have to prepare by using benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. बोला. कसं तयार करणार? नेहा बोल. आहे का नाही तिकडे नेहा? सार्थक. Tell, how will you convert benzene sulfonic acid to phenol? Yash? नहीं? बोला पटकन. हाँ आकांक्षा बोल.
Miss,
बोल. हाँ.
Benzene sulfonic acid is treated with NaOH.
काय फॉर्म्युला आहे बेन्झीन सल्फोनिक ऍसिडचा?
बेन्झीन रिंगला SO3H.
हाँ, बेन्झीनला SO3H. बोला पुढे.
Is treated with NaOH.
NaOH. हाँ. What's the product?
Benzeneला SO3Na.
SO3Na. Yes, we get a salt. पुढे.
Then it is treated with NaOH again.
NaOH again at
523 Kelvin.
If you don't remember temperature, just write heat. Okay. Here temperature is not required. Means exact value is not needed. So you can write triangle. No problem. But
then
better remember the values. What do we get?
Benzeneला O minus Na plus.
Yes. O minus Na plus.
And then it is treated with dilute HCl.
Dilute HCl. Yes. What do we get?
Phenol.
Phenol is the product. Yes, we get phenol as product. And the last question. Chalo. Still 2 minutes. So we will take one more question. Lower your hand, Akansha. See. Acylation करायचे आपल्याला. So what is the acetylation product? Acetylation of salicylic acid and anisole. Is there Ravi? Ravi, tell me, acylation of salicylic acid. Aditya? Pauras? Acylation of salicylic acid. Siddhi? Is there Siddhi? Ritika? अरे आहे का नाही कोण? बोला बोला पटकन. कोण सांगतंय? Raise your hand. Parth? नहीं? चलो, I'll tell. Salicylic acid. What's the formula? Benzene ring. Here OH and here COH, or you can interchange the group. Doesn't matter. We have to do its acetylation. Acetylation is CH3CO O CO CH3, or we can use CH3COCl, any acylating agent. So acylating agent is the source of acyl group. When CH3CO group is introduced, where is it added? It is attached to phenolic or alcoholic OH, not acidic OH group. Okay, so we have to do acylation of that OH group. So O CO CH3. This COOH remains as it is, plus CH3 COOH is the byproduct. This is called as aspirin. This is called as aspirin. And anisole. Anisole is benzene ring attached to COCH3, reacts with OCH3, I'm sorry, treated with CH3COCl. It is Prudhoe-Crafts acylation reaction carried out in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, and we get the product as OCH3 and COCH3 plus OCH3 and COCH3. Substitution takes place at ortho position as well as at para position. So aspirin preparation obtained by acylation of salicylic acid, and anisole on acylation gives mixture of ortho-methoxyacetophenone and para-methoxyacetophenone. Okay, that's all the revision part. Few reactions I have revised here. Practice more and more reactions. If you have doubt, ask me anytime. No problem. Okay, take 5 minutes break. Sir will continue with maths lecture.